let's begin with our full lifetime name and success. Tell more about the wings of MBA. So let's start.
Vision Mantra. Foundation of Macrovision Academy was laid with establishment of Vision Mantra Wing. Mantra Wing was constructed in 2003 with carpet area of 30,000 square feet and 42 spacious rooms for the blossoming birds.
Vision Petals. Petal Wing was planned in 2014 and this massive structure of 80,000 square feet came in operation in April 2015 within a short span of 10 months. Petal Wing was destined in 16 elevated classrooms with Apple TV and 96 hostel rooms.
Vision Paradise.
It is the another flamboyant feather in the wings of Vision family, breaking the traditional concept of classroom design. This mammoth structure was constructed during 2015 to 2017 with an area of 4,000 square feet. It is fully air conditioned, having curtain walls, which is the first of its kind. The most amazing fact about Paradise Wing is that it's constructed over a pond with a proper system of water harvesting.
It is also a very huge big iMac lab. Vision Udan. Udan Wing was built during 2006-2013 with area of 1 lakh square feet. Vision behind laying the foundation of Udan Wing was to sow the seeds for brightening the prospects of students. It is achieved through the Englement Conventional School Curriculum with competitive exams to pursue career endeavors. Inside of Udan Wing, there was a doctor room and an e-library for the students of 11-12. Hasdeep Hostel has rooms of non-AC to class 6 to 12 and has a very wonderful, beautiful garden.